In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your GitHub more impressive to employers. 5 simple tips. We'll walk through a quick process you can follow right now, and I'll add context so you understand why each step matters. Start by opening your browser and searching for how to make your GitHub more impressive to employers. 5 simple tips. Click the result that highlights how recruiters often spend just seconds scanning a profile. That's the mindset we'll optimize for. Fast clarity, strong signal, and professional polish. Within that guide, jump to Create a Custom Profile README. This is the welcome mat to your GitHub. A concise, well-structured profile README can introduce who you are, your primary skills, the tech you're focusing on, and links to your best work. Keep it skimmable with short sections and clear headings, and avoid clutter that buries your key strengths. Expand the details if there's a Show More option to see examples. Use them as inspiration for tone and structure, especially how they prioritize content above visuals. Next, explore Curate your pinned repositories. Pin the 6 projects that best match the roles you're targeting. Include concise descriptions that state the problem, your solution, and the technologies used. Reorder pins so your strongest, most recent, and most relevant work appears first. Open Write Employer-Ready Project READMEs. Each featured repo should tell a quick story: what it does, why it exists, how to run it, and what makes it technically interesting. Include setup steps, a brief architecture summary, key decisions you made, and links to demos or screenshots. This shows you can communicate as well as code. Move on to Demonstrate a professional workflow. Evidence of collaboration and discipline stands out. Use clear, conventional commit messages, branches and pull requests, a short test section, and, if applicable, a lightweight CI check. Open issues with descriptive titles and labels to signal how you scope and track work. Then, clean up ghost repositories. Archive or make private old forks, half-finished experiments, and duplicates. Consistent naming, concise descriptions, and relevant topics make your portfolio feel intentional and modern. Now, apply these ideas in one of your repositories. From your GitHub dashboard, open a project, go to its settings and repository list, and update the description, topics, and README. Ensure the repo's homepage immediately tells visitors what matters. If you need help drafting, open your preferred AI writing assistant and ask for a sample, employer-focused README based on your project's stack and goals. Paste the draft into your README and customize it so it reflects your voice and the real decisions you made. That's it. Profile, README, curated pins, employer-ready project READMEs, professional workflow signals, and a clean repo list. Make these updates, and your GitHub will do